Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 1st of July 1863, the Battle of Gettysburg began, resulting in a decisive Union victory. Confederate General Robert E. Lee had secured a victory against a much larger Union army at the Battle of Chancellorsville in Virginia in May. Buoyed by this success, he decided to capitalize on the situation and launch an invasion of the North. Having lost confidence in Major General Joseph Hooker after the earlier defeat, President Lincoln replaced him with George Meade, who led the 90,000-strong Army of the Potomac in pursuit of Lee. The two armies met on the 1st of July near Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, when Confederates approached the town in search of supplies. While the two Union brigades initially slowed the Confederate advance, they eventually found themselves outnumbered and forced back to Cemetery Hill south of the town. By the end of the first day of battle, more than 15,500 people were dead, wounded, captured, or missing. The second day saw Union reinforcements strengthen their defensive line. Despite being outnumbered, Lee launched a heavy assault that saw the Confederates gain ground at each end of their line. However, the failure to coordinate attacks meant that Meade was able to move the Union defenders to resist each approach, resulting in 20,000 soldiers being killed, captured, wounded, or missing. On the third day of battle, around 15,000 Confederate troops, led by a division under George Pickett, attacked across unprotected farmland. Pickett's charge ultimately failed, and only half the troops survived to return to their lines. Realizing that the situation was impossible, Lee ordered his troops to withdraw back to Virginia the next day. Approximately 23,000 Yankees and 28,000 Confederates had been killed, wounded, or captured over the course of just 3 days.